Hey guys, welcome back. This is how we say, another unboxing today, but this is a very special unboxing. Today we have a package from Brooklyn. Maybe some of y'all know where this comes from. Well, as you see, Cilantro's not here right now. He's right, as I say, in the studio cooking us some beats. So I will be your host today, Lil Gritz, but it's not just gonna be me today. I have a partner today. His name is Lil Toaster, and he'll be here unboxing these two things with me today. Try to hype him up a little bit. So let's get into this video and introduce my partner, Lil Toaster today.
Hey guys. So what are we doing?
So today we're unboxing two magnificent brands, Nike, and I'm pretty sure you don't know what this brand is, but you'll be familiar today once I show you things.
Okay.
So
you want me to unbox this one?
Go ahead and open this up.
So what's a Supreme?
Supreme. What is? Well, kids, if you don't know, we're about that life.
We got another box inside this box.
Yeah, we're all got the box. So, if you don't know, Supreme is a big hype brand right now in the streets, and it's really popular. All these kids out here want to know this brand, and if you don't know your kids, I might be selling this at the end of the video. So keep it tuned.
What's the point?
What's the point of what?
I don't understand. What's the Supreme? Like, what does it mean? Like, what? I don't.
That's just
So it's a brand?
It's just a brand.
So you want me to go ahead and open this up?
Open it up. Whichever one you want to open up first.
Let's put my knife.
Whichever one you want to open first. We'll save this one for later.
What is this? Stickers.
Yeah, those are stickers.
What are these? Why do they give you stickers?
Because that's where everything comes in. But also, since this was the fall-winter week 1, we got the thermos.
Is there anything else?
No, that's it. And you know, as every package comes, they got a ball. And so, Supreme was lucky enough to give us a ball in here. But this is what we got here.
A thermos.
A thermos, kids. A thermos. Now, y'all probably gonna ask, why am I this stupid to buy a thermos? Well, it's Supreme. Why not? It's obviously a great brand. So, yeah. You never bought from Supreme, have you?
I don't even know what Supreme was until this video.
Well, Supreme was a great brand. Started in 1994. Forgot the guy's name, but still a great brand to this day.
Can we go to the Mexico thing?
Go ahead, go to Mexico. Open this one up right here.
Shoot. This actually is pretty cool. It is cool. Can I actually like open the package?
No, I don't know, because the resale comes in here. Guys, if you probably want this shirt, I might resell it. Just keep in touch.
Just gonna put this back.
Contact me if you want it.
So we have anything else? We have another box, don't we?
Well, you never actually got a chance to buy Supreme. But just looking at this material and looking at these things, would you ever consider buying this?
It depends. How much is it?
Well, just
like
say
$5.
I spent over probably $200 on 3 things.
$200 on 3 things?
Yeah.
Dude, you know how much ramen I could have bought with that? A lot of ramen.
It is a lot of ramen, but think about it. It was worth the hype. So, things that are worth the hype, you might as well go ahead and buy it.
Whatever.
It's like a down payment on a car, but I wasn't putting down payment on a car, I was putting down payment on stuff.
Alright, what's
But
next?
you see the hype, right?
No.
What we got here, kids? What do you think this is?
Looks like a shoebox.
Well, what shoe do you think this is?
It says Nike on it.
Well, this is Nike. Well, for the kids that don't know, ACG is a wonderful, wonderful brand. If you want to buy these, kids, hit me up if you want it. It's all dead stock.
Whoa! These are sweet.
Seriously, aren't they?
Now, I like these.
Would you consider buying those right there?
I don't know, maybe.
These aren't your typical type of Nike shoe. These are some hiking mountain shoes.
These ain't no looking like no hiking boots, hiking shoes.
These are mountain boots. What you mean? It's ACG. I got a blue one at home. That's the like the basic brand for Nike. This is their mountain boot. You need to go hiking with this boot. I have the one, the dog mount at home, the corduroy one. I prefer that one. It's very comfortable.
It's just some multicolored
Yeah.
shoelace right there. I like that. This is alright. I like this. How much are these? It's like
110.
100 and
So you want to consider buying this?
no.
You're not gonna buy this.
Listen here. You see these on my feet?
Yeah.
These are Vans.
Vans. What's wrong with Vans?
These are cheap and they're beautiful.
What's wrong with these?
These are beautiful, but they're very expensive.
Oh my god.
So, can we show the people the stickers now?
Go ahead, show them the stickers.
Some stickers. Come on.
Now, as we all know, Little Toaster here was never a hype beast, so this is his first time seeing Supreme. But just stay tuned to all these things right here. All these things right here, I might not even keep. So, if you really want to buy them,
Can I go home now?
hit me up, shut up. Just hit me up for these things. I might have a reasonable price, but you shoot me the offer, I might give it to you. But yeah, we'll be back here
We done?
maybe sooner or later.
We done?
Shout out to Cilantro. He'll be back in the office soon. Watch out for more. This has been Lil Grits and Lil Toaster. Peace out.
You just want to go home.
What you got on there? What you got on your feet? Oh, what is that? Adidas? What is that? Adidas?